Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Remini subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a few different ways to do this. So for iOS device users, what you want to do is open up settings. So go to your device settings app, tap on your name at the top of the screen, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings, and then tap on subscriptions to view all your active subscriptions. And then from there, locate the Remini subscription in the list and tap on it. And then click cancel and follow the prompts to confirm. For Android device users, what you want to do is open up your Play Store on your phone, and now click onto your profile icon, top right hand corner of the screen here. Click into payments and subscriptions, click on the subscriptions, click into Remini here, and then click on cancel subscription. And now the last way you can do it is open up the Remini app on your phone, make sure to log in, and then go to account settings, and then access the account or subscription settings within the app. Follow the app's instructions to cancel your subscription. Note that this might redirect you to the App Store or Google Play Store for final confirmation as well. And a side note here, make sure to cancel before the next billing cycle to avoid being overcharged or charged for the next month. If you have any issues, contact Remini support directly, can help resolve any problems with the cancellation process.